Hello guys and welcome to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in Adobe After Effects. So basically this is how we want to zoom our composition. So to do so you need first to open your Adobe After Effects software and start your composition, or open something here, like you can open a video or anything in the control or in the working panel. So basically after you do that, you will have only to start scrolling or dragging with your middle scrolling button in the mouse. So if you zoom in, you just scroll up or scroll back or scroll in front, so you can have a zoom. If you are using a laptop, so you may have a touchpad. That means you need to scroll with your both two fingers and go up and down, and you will have the same effect as this. Otherwise, you can just do it in the menus here. So basically, I have the view the view menu here, and as you can see there is something that is called zoom in, zoom out. So if I want to zoom in, you can zoom in more than one time, zoom in until you reach the size that you want. Also, if you want to increase the size of an object, you can just add its scaling. So you click on your object and you make it bigger if you want that, or you just add from the scaling button and you start moving it, and it will be bigger or uh, minor. So basically this is how you zoom in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching and goodbye.